Most online educators have no idea why they are stuck. They post every day, they're trying to find trending audios. This one freaks me out a lot. They try to grow their personal brand. They burn out trying to stay visible. And then nothing, no clients, no consistent revenue, no predictable income. Let me tell you something that may sound offensive at first, but will set you free. You ready for that? The biggest mistake online educators make is chasing virality instead of building systems. Hi, my name is Anna Zakkery. Welcome to my YouTube channel. At this channel, I share my vision on how you can build a sustainable sales system. I'm a big fan, supporter, and executor of Evergreen webinars and Evergreen challenges, which we massively built for my clients, for online educators who trust me, and I've been doing that since 2018 for more than 9 years by the moment. And every time we build Evergreen Funnel or Evergreen Challenge, that is a completely different life for online educator. It finally sets you free from chasing those vanity metrics like virality, views, followers. It allows you to generate sales if you have 0 contacts in your email list. Here is the big misconception. People think visibility equals sales, but visibility without direction is noise. Let me give you a few real examples of my clients here. We had a client, 250K creator. She made $0 in revenue. She came to us with this amount of followers and her reels were blowing up, millions of views. She was exhausted trying to keep the momentum. Not a single product, no funnel, no lead mag. All attention, no direction. The main problem here was, as any creator has, so the people were viewing the stories and the reels and the content, but they were not directed to the next step. And everything what they did is just watched the next reel and then the next reel, and it was just having some fun without investing 0 in her business. But this is not the main idea of her product. She wanted to sell her services, not just to allow people watching the reels on her Instagram account. We built her a simple quiz funnel which directed people to webinar with a $1597 price for her product. In month 1, she made $37,000, not because her content suddenly changed, because now she had a system. We did not do anything with her content. We didn't change her strategy in social media. We just added the webinar where we directed all attention. Example 2, we had 2K follower educator who made 28K monthly. This woman had just 2,000 followers. No fancy branding, no viral content, but she had a clear offer, one message, plus Evergreen webinar, automated follow-up, and direct message funnel in Manager. Her first month, $28,000. Why? Not because of reach, but because the system converted the small reach she had. Another example, titling coach. She was crazy. She was posting 5 times a day, burning out, and still making 3-5K a month. And she thought that this is how the system works. We took all of that content, repurposed it, created a webinar for her, and launched it. Her first Evergreen month brought her $41,000. She did not post more, she posted less, because now this work was done automatically by Evergreen webinar. So virality gives false dopamine. My video hit 100K views, yay! I gained 600 followers today, woo! I'm really moving forward my goal. This reel is taking off. And then you look at your Stripe account and there is nothing. Why? Because virality gives you traffic, but not intent. Intent comes from education, segmentation, and nurturing, all things a funnel does. So let's break it down. The algorithm owns you. Your revenue depends on TikTok, not your system, or Instagram, but not your actions. Virality attracts random people, not your buyers. It forces you to create constantly without any days off. The second you stop posting, your business dies. It should not be like that. But you can scale a funnel with ads and automation. So here's the thing, guys. If you feel that it's time to stop and build something which will form your legacy and which will allow you to breathe out for at least 2 times a week, this is the moment when you need to start thinking about evergreen funnels. There is no other substitution which will set you free. In the description box, you will find the link for the free consultation with me. Click on it and check if there are any free seats left for this month. Once you come to the call, come prepared for the call. Bring me your marketing reports, share your numbers, send me your links. You can all the time send it to me in my direct messages on Instagram. And I will do my best to show you the way or the set of actions you need to take in order to generate the sales consistently. This consultation is only for people who already have online course and you guys are chasing the stability in the sales. If you have no product, if you're only thinking that, oh, maybe sometime in the future I will do that, I do not work with these type of clients. Because usually that ends up with doing nothing. You will still think about creating your online course 5 years from now. So if you have an online course, if you have a product, if you already tried to launch it, come to me, I will help you to scale it. If virality is not the answer and helper for sales, so what is the replacement? First, lead magnet. Not free checklist, not free guide. This brings low quality leads. Instead of that, use diagnostic quizzes, roadmaps, training previews, calculators, decision guides. These type of lead magnets are really valuable to people. They help them to solve tiny problem, a piece of problem they have right now, but they give them the hope that, okay, there is a solution for my problem. This attracts buyers, not just browsers. Second thing, short evergreen webinar. Not a 3-hour pitch fest, not a complicated masterclass, but an evergreen webinar built according to my system. I have a special algorithm, the set of slides which you need to have built on a certain time frame rules. The third, offer architecture. If you do not have sustainable, irresistible offer, you will fail. You can have an ideal funnel, brilliantly automated, powered with the best AI tools, but extremely bad offer. And your evergreen webinar will die. And number 4 is automated follow-up system. We use 40 to 45 touch points across. We use email sequences, we send text messages, shoot DMs, we automate everything with ManaChat. We do retargeting ads. This is where 60% of sales come from. And definitely, number 5 is weekly optimization. The system improves every week based on numbers. CTR, landing page conversions, watch time, show up rates, CTA clicks, definitely the conversion rate to paid orders on the webinar, and cost per client. These are the metrics I track. I have another video on my channel where I explain how my marketing reports are built and why they are so important. I know that a lot of marketers do not know how to track the numbers, or they track too many of them or not enough. I believe that my marketing reports are built in the ideal shape, which allows you to predict at the early stages the fails and the wins. So let me summarize everything we discussed today. If you are an online educator, listen carefully. Your goal is not to become viral. Your goal is to become predictable. Virality is a moment, funnels are a business. So choose which one you want to go. You do not need 100,000 followers. You do not need to post 7 times a day. You do not need to chase every trend. You just need a system that works when you are offline and sets you free. A system that runs when you are slipping, a system that educates, qualifies, and converts automatically. That's how real online businesses scale. If you want me to break down your funnel and show you where the leaks are, what's missing, what's costing your revenue, use the link in the description box. And every time, remember guys, you can DM me on Instagram with your questions and I will be happy to assist you on this journey. That's it for today. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you are really interested in Evergreen systems, stay tuned and watch some of my videos. I will drop some recommendations here. See you next time.